Hello, it's Stacy Glow. In my today's episode, you will see how to do a yellow makeup. Join me. Let's take a palette with eyeshadows from NYX and apply orange shadows to the upper fold of the eyelid.
Lying on the floor again, I'm trying to ignore again, I'm biting in the core. All the testimony, I really wanna be your team.
Now, let's take a white pencil and cover the middle of the eyelid with it. By the way, I'm using this white pencil for some reason. It helps me to make the color more intense. I want to reach a really bright yellow color, but the shadows themselves are too dull. That's why there is the life hack I'm using to make the color brighter.
What have I seen for so long?
After this, I can cover my eyelids with yellow. These are the shadows from NYX. I'm gonna apply them to the middle of the eyelid. Generally saying, yellow makeup doesn't seem to be very popular. The reason could be the perception. Everybody might think it's too blatant or outrageous. That's why not every girl will dare to make it. This is exclusively for bold and self-confident women. Otherwise, you will be catching all these weird glances and feeling awkward. By the way, in no case should you be afraid of yellow. In fact, it suits almost everyone. You just need to choose the appropriate shade depending to your skin and hair tone and of course on the season. Elsewhere, you could highlight your drawbacks even more. Since the brightness of the yellow facilitates this, you should pay particular attention to the even skin tone and be more attentive to details while applying such makeup. Everything should be perfect. Meanwhile, I'm going to put orange shadows, this time to the upper fold of the eyelids. Are you following me?
I become now, who am I right now? Why do I feel?
If you are, let's move further. Let's take white sparkling shadows to add more brightness to our look and apply them to the inner corner of the eye. Yellow makeup will perfectly suit the summer period, parties or friends reunions, at the sunrise or sunset, beach or ship parties or any festive occasions. It will add some optimism and cheerfulness to it since it's bright and sunny. The key factor here is not to overdo. Right now, I will draw my wings with the marker. I want to make my look even more tempting and brighter this way. Yellow is nicely combined with warm shades. That's why yellow shadows harmonize with brown, golden and peach colors. However, you can also easily combine it with green, grey or beige, as well as the shades of blue or purple. These are more relaxing and natural colors. Yellow is a special color since it doesn't like to stay alone. It's not a good idea to use it without accompaniment. The important thing here is to pick up the right shades which will suit your color type.
What have I seen for so long?
It's finally the time to paint my eyelashes. Are you still here with me? Then let's paint the upper and lower eyelashes with mascara together. Neat and tidy.
Who have I become somehow? Now I do.
Here comes the highlighter. We need to highlight everything that has been done, don't we? By the way, do you remember a similar look among any of the celebrities? Not many famous people come to my mind who have even done anything alike. Oh, I recall one person. Rita Ora once showed up at the American Music Awards in a bright yellow dress with the yellow makeup. She was also wearing elegant and sophisticated earrings. Her hair picked up, hide behind in a bun. Her eyelashes were long and the eyebrows bright, the lips gloss being quite obscure. In combination with all this, she looked tender and bright meanwhile. Also, you could sometimes meet Gigi Hadid in yellow. Who else? I can say at the spot. Perhaps you could remind me? I'm wondering now who likes experiments and isn't afraid of his or her appearance. Waiting in the comments. So, the only thing which hasn't been painted yet on my face is my lip line. I've decided to make not only my eyes yellow, but the whole look. That's why I'll try to make my lipstick also a little yellow, to keep to the yellow style. So, what should I do? Let's play around. I'll take a little of the lipstick, add it to my hand, now a little of the yellow shades and blend it all. Looks quite nice. I will apply this all mix to my lips with a brush. How do you like it? As far as I remember, yellow look was a trend in 2013 and then repeated in 2016. At the moment, yellow boom has gone down a little since a lot of other bright and stylish tendencies took it over. However, I would say it's still worth some attention. It's cool, bright and sunny. Hey, hang on! Here's one more piece of advice from Stacy. If you want a cool, bright makeup, but your eyeshadows tune to be not enough saturated, you can use a white pencil additionally, or the pencil of the color which match your shadows. Apply it to the eyes and blend it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press likes. Let's be a little more of the wall. See you soon. Bye.